In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in Tradingview 2026. If your chart is cluttered with moving averages, oscillators, or old scripts, and you just want a clean view of price action, this walkthrough will reset your workspace in a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Tradingview. You can search for it or go straight to the site. Either way is fine. Once the homepage loads, look for the products option at the top. Click that to access Tradingview's tools, then open the chart workspace. The chart is where your indicators live, so that's where we'll make the change. Inside the chart, focus on the vertical toolbar along the left side of the screen. This is the left panel that holds drawing tools and quick actions. Take a moment to locate the trash bin icon. Depending on your screen size and layout, it's usually visible without scrolling. If you don't see it right away, try slightly widening your browser window or hovering your mouse over the panel to reveal any collapsed tools. The icon represents cleanup actions for your chart. Click the trash bin icon. A small menu will appear with options tailored to clearing items on the chart. From that menu, choose Remove Indicators. This command removes all indicators that are currently applied to the chart in front of you. It won't delete any indicators from your account or favorites, it simply clears them from the active chart so you can start fresh. After you select Remove Indicators, your chart should instantly simplify. You'll notice the indicator panels below the chart disappear, colored lines on the candles vanish, and any indicator count or label updates to show that none are active. At this point, you have 0 indicators and your chart is clean. This is perfect for reviewing price structure, drawing levels, or rebuilding your indicator set with a new plan. A few tips to keep in mind as you work. If you momentarily removed indicators but realize you still need them, the undo button in the chart header can reverse the action right away. Clearing indicators affects only the chart layout you're viewing. Other charts or layouts aren't changed. And if your workspace feels different from what you see here, it may be due to a compact layout or a different theme. Look for the same trash bin symbol and the Remove Indicators option in the quick menu. That's all there is to it. You've reset your Tradingview chart to 0 indicators in a fast, reliable way. Thanks for watching and happy charting.